football season, so we're getting you ready for a tailgating special here. In our 1-hour supper, Dr. Barbecue is making chicken wings with pink sauce, and we learned earlier that this is kind of a different mixture than you would normally put on a wing, perhaps.
Yeah, you know, I'm always looking to do something a little bit different, so what the heck, and can't wait till football season starts to kick off with some wings.
Yes.
So, you know, first chance we got, we're having some wings.
What are the ingredients, and what am I throwing into the bowl?
First thing we're going to do, chicken wings, get big whole chicken wings like that. Don't see that, the big whole chicken wing. Don't get them frozen little segment ones. I'm not going to touch it because raw chicken, you got to go wash your hands right away, but you get the idea. It's pretty simple spice seasoning for this one because it's all about the sauce. Those go on the grill ideally. Here we did them in the oven. The pink sauce. So let's start with all the white ingredients.
Which mayo's in here.
Mayonnaise in the bowl. Okay. Put the ranch in.
All right.
Do we need two white sauces? Ranch and mayo?
Two white sauces.
It's about a combination. Don't put the red in yet.
Oh, no.
Don't put the horseradish in.
So it matters the order you put it all in.
Well, it's going to look cool when the red goes in once all the white stuff is in.
Horseradish.
All right, that's in.
And then honey.
Honey. Here's the honey.
What does that do? Just sweeten it up a bit?
Yep, exactly. A lot of tangy kind of stuff.
Oh, that's going to be good. Look at that.
And then squeeze that lemon in there.
All right.
Blended lemons. Now, careful.
I'm going to hold on.
We saw what she did.
You guys are all stepping back. That's not fair. I can squeeze a lemon.
You're pretty good at that. Yeah.
And if some seeds go in, it happens. Salt and pepper.
All right, salt and pepper.
So got that mixed up pretty good. So that would basically be the white barbecue sauce. And now we're going to add some pre-made red barbecue sauce.
All right.
Just straight out of the jar. Like nice sweet one.
Yeah, okay. Now it's getting pink. Look at that.
See, that's the idea.
Voila.
So it's kind of like that, like I said, like the Italian, you go to an Italian restaurant, you get Alfredo and you mix it with marinara, and it's really good.
Yes.
And so in this case, we took the red sauce, we mixed it with the white sauce, and it gets kind of pink, and it's really a good chicken wing sauce.
I'm going to tell you, the chicken wings smell really good.
Yeah, they do. It's hard.
Chris wanted to eat one before we went on the air. So the way I like to serve my wings is, though, we cook them. Now, again, I'd have grilled them, of course, if I was at home, but don't do anything till the last minute. So right before we're going to eat them, pour half that sauce on here.
All right, I'll let you do that.
I wasn't sure I was going to allow your sauce to be in there. I have a backup plan again, but it's looks good.
We did good today. We did a really good job.
Save half of it back for serving on the side. Because some people like a little sauce, some like a lot.
All right.
So this way, I'll toss these.
You're
and
pretty
have
handy.
a nice
Look at that.
That was impressive.
Do you bake? How long did you bake the wings?
About an hour in the oven at 350. I turned them up a little bit at the end to try to get them a little bit of crispy. Chicken is done at 165 temperature, but we want to cook wings higher than that. You want them about 190, 200. Because there's so much fat and juice to them. You can't really dry out a chicken wing without going really far. So they're lightly coated, and like this, I'd serve them immediately. So they stay a little bit crispy with the extra sauce on the side. I'll plate them up real nice so you guys can eat.
They look good. They smell great. I like, you know, as you described, I like to get I just can't get the wings right. I like them to be juicy on the inside, but crispy on the outside. So how do you make sure that balance stays?
It's really hard to do at home. At the restaurant, what we do, we brine them, and then we smoke them, and then we cool them down. They're just barely done. We smoke them, we cool them down till they're cold. When you order them, they go in the fryer, and they get fried up, and that's how they get nice and crispy, but still got that smoky flavor. At home, you could try that and use the air fryer.
Yeah,
because
you need to get one of those.
We don't have a big, most of us don't have a big industrial fryer at home.
Well, we got to get to Paul, but you have to wait.
We've got the recipe. We're going to try this. We've got the recipe for you guys, and we've got the dowel for you here.
That's an unusual recipe.
The dowel hasn't been as pretty as these wings lately, but if you guys want to try the recipe for yourself, that's on fox13news.com.